What's the meaning of cesspool? Cesspool. Cesspool.
Cesspool. Cesspool. A cesspool is a deep hole or pit that is used for the disposal of sewage and waste. It is typically left unlined and allows the contents to seep into the surrounding soil, potentially contaminating nearby water sources. The result is an unsanitary and often foul-smelling environment that can pose significant health risks to humans and animals alike. Cesspools can be a breeding ground for bacteria and disease, and can also attract pests such as rats and insects. Overall, cesspools are an outdated and unsafe method of waste disposal that should be avoided whenever possible.